Hello everyone, this is Tabasum Shavana. The main objective of this video is to make the Telegram weather chatbot. For that I am using the JavaScript program that uses the Node.js runtime environment and several packages to create a Telegram bot which retrieves weather information based on the user's input. Before going to write a code, first we have to see whether the Node.js is installed in our computers or not. For that, go to the command prompt and type node space -v. It gives the version of the Node.js. If it gives the version, then the Node.js is installed in our computers. If it is not, then go to the Google and search for Node.js installation and download the LTS version of the Node.js, which means long-term services. And after that, we have to create a file. I am using VS Code here. Then after creating a file, we have to install packages. Here I am installing Telegram bot API package and request package. These two are important to run this code. So after installing these packages, make sure that the location of the file you have saved and the packages where you are installing must be same. And after installing these packages, let's coming to the code. The first two lines are the packages that are installed here. Here the request package is used to make the HTTP request to the weather API, and Telegram bot is used to interact with the Telegram bot API. So coming to the next line, we are assigning a Telegram bot token to the token variable. This token is obtained from the Telegram bot API where you create a new bot. So for getting this token, go to the Telegram web and search for the bot for the official. Then you will get messages like this, and it asks for some username and bot name. So when you type that, it will give you a bot, and this is a bot I have get for weather API. So coming to the code, here the fourth line tells about that it creates a instance of the Telegram class passing the token and an option object with polling true. This enables to continuously listen. That means it continuously listens for coming messages from user. That after that we are using a method bot.on which contains two parameters, message and callback function. Here this block setups an event listener for incoming messages. Whenever a message is received, the specified function is executed. And inside the request function, here an URL is written, and it is constructed by concatenating the user's message as mg.text and with API key provided for you. And here the API key can be obtained from the weatherapi.com, and from here I get my API, and we have to paste this API here. And here the callback function for the request is executed when the response is received. And next, coming to the next line, here it checks if there is any error present or not. If there is error, then bot sends a message to the user with the error message received from the API. Otherwise, it extracts the weather data from the response body and sends various weather related messages to the user via Telegram bot. Finally, the extracted weather data is logged to console for debugging purpose. So let us check how this Telegram API is working. For that, first we have to compile this, and coming to the bot, this is the bot which I have get from the Telegram. So when I type a country name, it will provide the information, and when I type other than the country name, then it will giving the message like no matching location found, and this is the message received from the API, and this is the error message. So coming to these five informations, these are retrieved from the weather API, and I choose these data to be retrieved from the weather API. At last, the overall view of this code is it set up a Telegram bot that interacts with the user, retrieves weather data from the weather API based on the user's input, and sends the weather information to the user via Instagram message. So this is the way to create a simple interactive chatbot. Thanking you.